Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm unboxing the Anupam sketchbook. I ordered it from Amazon. I will give the link in the description so that you can check it out. This is the pack of 2 A5 sketchbook and it cost me rupees 179 and it has 50 sheets and 140 GSM. So I think it's a very good deal. Now let's open it. As it has 140 GSM, so the pages are slightly thick and smooth as well. So let's try it. And here I already sketched an anime, Naruto, and here you can see the reference image. For this I am using my artist den brushes and the DOMS poster colors. It's a type of illustration, so you have to focus on the detailings. So okay guys, if you are new on my channel, then please visit my channel once and subscribe it cause I make the videos like that which are very useful for you all, and share the beginners friendly videos on my channel. And you can also follow me on my Insta. There you can find very useful content and I post all the recent artworks there. Now here I am filling the color, giving the depth and highlights all together, and I am filling the color and then giving depth with its darker shade and highlights with its lighter shade. So just focus on your reference and you can easily find the darker and lighter areas. Now here I made the skin color by mixing red, white and yellow. And don't forget to give the lighter shades by mixing white in your skin color. and here I complete it. So how it is looking, please let me know in the comment section below. So hope you like this video, and I must say this product is very good quality and especially best for the beginners. So guys, I will see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.